The fastest way to turn the volume up or down on your Siri is to talk to it and ask it a question that will take a lengthy response. That way you have time to turn the volume up or down to adjust it versus just asking for it, what is 1 plus 1? Here, for example, hey Siri, tell me a bedtime story.
Once there were two mice who became friends at Mouse
And then you
College.
just adjust the volume up and down right there on the side. See, the volume's low.
When they graduated, they promised they would stay friends and visit
The
each other.
volume's up.
Soon, Country Mouse
I'm going to
visited
turn
the
this
city.
off. But then basically, that's how you adjust your Siri volume the fastest way possible. And just to show you, the reason why we did it the first way is because if you go into Siri in settings, so far to my knowledge, nowhere in settings can you adjust the volume right here manually. You have to do it by making sure Siri talks. And then one more quick way is if you don't want to use Siri with your voice, you can hold the power button and activate Siri like this. Tell me a long story.
I'll need to use ChatGPT to.
And then you just adjust the volume up or down that way. Make sure you subscribe for more iPhone tips.